Hello, boys and girls. And today I'm scaring the hell out of you. Not really. I just like to hold up something that draws your attention. Now, let's see. This is a VR to Matt A. Hey, Matt, congratulations on getting your 100. And I always have fun. Because a lot of people, oops, don't get in camera range, don't know what they're really looking for. And what I like about your channel and why I'll always watch your stuff is you don't bullshit. I could tell bullshit when it's knee deep. You don't bullshit, which is good. And you really work with your hands, which is even better. And let me get a cup of tea. Your content stays on target. You're getting hell out of New York State. Let's see. You don't stray away what you don't wander all over the place for 30 minutes on vague stuff, which is really good. And you're within, I'll let you go over like 20 minutes, that's fine, but you're within 10 to 15 minutes, but you're always on topic, which I really enjoy. What I don't like about your channel is you need a script and take notes. Sometimes you wander a bit. You go over 20 minutes. And when I wake up and find out, oh, it's an hour and a half, and it gets a little bit too much. At least you're not a talking head. Okay, would like to see more prepping stuff, more survival stuff. What books or movies inspire you? Like me and Hubble's Cat, we're literary goose, and we like to read a lot. And I mean, we like to read a lot. And also, we enjoy old movies about survival, nuclear war, Holocaust, whatever. He doesn't like warfare. I like warfare. And I could tell you, you used to be in the military. You can always tell that trait in most people is a military person. So anyway, I'm keeping this very short. It's a VR to Matt A. Congratulations on your 100. Let's see you do 1,000. Pick up that content. Start looking at other YouTube channels. We gotta improve and get higher and higher and better and stronger, because like I told my nephew, I can't do all this raw content like that is. I gotta figure it out step by step and do a better video content, thumbnails, whatever. Already I got good, and I also got my first dislike. Hard to believe somebody disliked old Uncle Alan, Diebulfrog79. Which is hard to say, boys and girls. I really try to watch my language, my tone, but sometimes it's a little hard for me. And I understand on Matt. He's like me. We're old-time, ex-military. We love our country. We fought for our country. And we're mean as hell for our country. No matter how many times they screwed us over, we still love her. Okay, and if a lot of people knows my family history, I get really upset when somebody says, oh, you're going to the camps, or, well, hi, we're from the government, we're going to help you. Yeah, right. Oh, if anybody wonders why Disneyland's so big in the middle of Anaheim, Anaheim wasn't a city back in the old days. It used to be full of orange trees and farmland. And after during World War II, a lot of small Japanese farmers and ranchers got shoved away because they were the enemy. Didn't matter if they were here since 1895 and was legal Americans and were already in the Army and armed forces. That's one of my triggers and push buttons. And it's like, oh, we also sued the state of California. We had them stop calling us yellow niggers. Yes, I said the N-word. And we have every right. So first person who's a social justice worker, understand this. My family will sue the hell out of you. Bring up that topic. All right, we don't like the N-word either. We've been called that. All right, and you didn't went during World War II to Arkansas. So if you bring up something else, like I said, it's one of my triggers. Well, you have a nice day, boys and girls. And, Uncle Alan gets mad and has a short temper and uses bad words. In the old days, I used brass knuckles and chains. So, let's have a nice night. And I'll catch you in the rebound in a few short minutes on a new topic. Have a nice day.